Hi everyone, it's Trish and welcome back to my channel, Trish's Healthy Appetite. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most coveted curry in Japan. Coco Curry or Coco Ichibanya is a curry house or a curry diner in Japan. It's in mainland Japan, it's in Okinawa. I used to live in Okinawa for 3 years, and this was one of those places that you just absolutely had to go to, and you could easily become addicted to it because the curry is just so good. So in this video, you will watch me veganize the base curry sauce. I'm also going to be pairing it with some roasted sweet and regular potatoes, and instead of rice, I'm going to be doing quinoa. Using quinoa will add protein to this meal, and you can use whatever vegetables you'd like. I just really love using potatoes, but you can use any steamed vegetable or stir-fried vegetable in this meal. So let's get started on the ingredients for the curry. First, you will need garam masala, some not chicken bouillon cubes, curry powder, garlic powder, onion powder, soy sauce or tamari, crushed red pepper flakes, maple syrup, cornstarch, and water. For the rest of the plate, you will need salt and pepper to taste, some white quinoa, and your potatoes of choice. So first, let's preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And then let's go ahead and chop up these potatoes. I'm gonna dice the potatoes here, but you can cut the potatoes any which way you like. While I'm chopping up these potatoes, I like to just throw them straight onto the baking sheet. It just makes it a whole lot easier than transferring it to a bowl and then to the baking sheet. So just, as you're cutting it, go ahead and spread them across your baking sheet. And right here, we're just gonna start seasoning the potatoes. So I'm just throwing the salt and pepper on them and just coating them evenly. Also, when I'm doing a sheet of diced potatoes like this, I don't toss them around. I just cook them all the way through like this. I don't flip them or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and cook these potatoes for 30 minutes. Next, we're gonna prepare 2 cups of quinoa. So here I am rinsing the quinoa. I rinse my quinoa because you will also find dirt and small tiny rocks, just like I do with my beans and lentils. I always soak them just for a little bit, move them around with my hands, and then I give them a good rinsing. Okay, go ahead and fill up a small pot with 4 cups of water. You want to place the pot of water on a medium to high flame and go ahead and season the water. I'm just seasoning it here with about a teaspoon of salt. You really don't need to season it that much because the curry sauce is going to be very flavorful. Go ahead and add the 2 cups of rinsed quinoa. Give it a quick stir and then just put the lid on it, a jar, and let it come to a boil and cook thoroughly. Next, grab another pot and pour 4 cups of water in there. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari. Add 2 teaspoons onion powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 2 tablespoons curry powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala, and if you like it spicy, 1 to 2 teaspoons of cracked red pepper flakes. Add 4 teaspoons of maple syrup. And then add 2 not chicken bouillon cubes. Give it a stir and let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to reduce the heat so that it's at a slow boil. And then you're going to thicken this by adding a cornstarch slurry. A cornstarch slurry is 1 part cornstarch to 3 to 4 parts cold water. Here I use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with about a 1/4 cup of water. So you're going to continue stirring the curry sauce at a medium to low boil until it becomes a little bit thick. Okay, so the potatoes are ready. Let's go ahead and pull them out of the oven. Let's go ahead and start plating up this meal. So you can see here, I'm actually trying to style the plate similar to how Coco Ichibanya styles their plates. And this is pretty much how it looks. Well, I hope you give this recipe a try. I absolutely loved and was ridiculously addicted to eating Cocos. So now you can make it at home and you can make plenty of it. This right here is enough for 4 servings. I would highly recommend doubling the recipe if you're wanting it for lunch, dinner, and for lunch the next day. And you could totally make this curry in advance and freeze it if you want, and then just defrost it whenever you want to have Coco curry. Even if you've never had Coco curry before or Japanese style curry, this is definitely something that curry lovers should try. And if you do give the recipe a try, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you miss Coco curry, give this video a thumbs up. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below so that you can check out all of my vegan recipes that I have on my channel. I upload videos to my channel 4 times a week, and on Sundays, I have a vlog, so you can see how we live our vegan life. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.